Hello and welcome to Market in a Minute. May the 5th, 2025. Asia Pacific markets were nicely up today, except China because of its trade tensions with the US, which has become the new normal, Australia because of the fallout of its national election, and Pakistan, which, as usual, has its own reasons. So let's dig into them. The KSE 100 index was anxious about two things at the open. One, possible Indian airstrikes, and two, uncertainty about the interest rate cut. The State Bank of Pakistan has been kind enough to remove one uncertainty, and the 100 basis point cut, larger than widely anticipated, should give the index a nice breather when it opens tomorrow morning. Other than that, talk of redistribution notwithstanding, there are still signs that the index might not quite be ready to spring into yet another bull run just yet, other things remaining constant, of course. Now let's look at the chart. Volatility, as measured by the ATR, has declined a tad from 2146 to 2098, but it is still extremely high in what is already a very combustible political security situation with a very direct potential impact on the market. So any bad news is likely to have a pronounced, however temporary, effect on the market, and naturally so. More importantly, we will not feel comfortable predicting another run to higher highs and higher lows till the RSI breaks above the 60 resistance line, returning to what is called the bullish zone in the momentum indicator. And even more ominously, notice how the index has quietly been making lower highs and lower lows within the range of the big red April 7th candle, and how the ADX has also been creeping up all this time, from around 17 on April 23 to above 22 now, hinting at a downward trend slowly developing. For the very immediate term though, expect the market to rejoice at the rate cut and, in the absence of bad news from the borders, enjoy that moment while it lasts. Where the market goes will only become apparent when it opens tomorrow. So stay tuned. Thank you.